Once you set up TikTok, you'll be asked to create a user profile. As I have already done so, I will show you how I edit my profile, which will go over the general information that you will need when you create your own. I'll tap on Edit Profile. At this point, I am able to add a photo up at the very top, or I can add a short video. There are advantages to setting up a short video, as it will show up as a moving icon off to the right-hand side of all of the TikTok For You pages that show your video. It can get you noticed. It's pretty self-explanatory at this point. You can input your name, and once you do that, you can change it at any time. You can input a username. This is important if you want to set your TikTok page up as a brand or showcasing a particular product and or service. And it will show you your URL once you have set that up at the very bottom. As you can see, mine is a personal TikTok with Nagilam as the user page. You can set up a small bio, which will give you a character limit, and this is where you can set your link to your own personal web page or to a page that may have products or promotions. You can also set up an Instagram page and a YouTube page should you have it, and it will ask you to verify. Once people are on your profile, all they would have to do is tap on the little Instagram type of logo, and it will take you directly to your Instagram page or to your YouTube page. At this point, at the very top of your profile, just above the videos, you can see the grid where all of your videos will show up. I'll show you how to create videos and how to create the thumbnails for each one of those in a later tutorial. Once you tap on the hearts, it will show you all of the videos that you have double tapped your hearts on, and it will show up on your profile. This is not visible to the public, only to you. Off to the right of that, you have private videos where you can have all of these things show up in this area of your profile. Off to the very top, just to the right of Edit Profile and your links, you have your Favorites page. Now you can favor videos, and I'll show you where to do that whenever we go back to previous tutorials. You can favor videos, hashtags, sounds, and effects, using them at your disposal. And you can gain quite a library with all of these.